strong parentage and the established brand. Airtel owns 70% of our outstanding equity share capital. Airtel is a global communication service provider, as I have mentioned. During the 9 months ended 31st December 2023 and fiscal 23, Airtel had a revenue share in India of 37.2 and 36.1 respectively. And as of December 2031, it had 381.7 million customers in wireless, representing a customer market share of 33%. Airtel has a net debt to EBITDA of 2.5 on a consolidated basis. As of December 21, it has strong financial risk profile, aided by strong debt protection matrices and financial flexibilities, as per CRISIL's rating rationale, and is rated as a AA+ as of July 2023. We derive significant synergies of our relationship with Airtel and its affiliates, including through Indus Towers infrastructure, inter-circle roaming arrangements, national long-distance network, and corporate functional support. Our relationships help us drive growth, optimize capital efficiency, and maintain our competitive advantage. We also are able to obtain better terms from our vendors and other third parties due to the scale of our combined operations. We also derive operational efficiencies by centralizing and sharing key functions across businesses such as finance, legal, information technology, strategy, procurement, etc. The next strength is around we are building a future-ready network. We rely on a robust network infrastructure through owned and leased assets. We benefit from the telecommunication infrastructure and other digital assets of our promoter, namely Airtel, and its investment in Indus Towers. Over the years, we have increased the use of digital tools, data sciences, and technology to enhance the network efficiency, optimize cost, and make our networks more environment friendly. As mentioned, we are present as of December 31st in 486 census towns, where we operate through 5,000 owned towers and about 20,000 leased network towers. We have a spectrum portfolio with a varied pool of mid-band, along with spectrum holding in 900, 3,500, and 26 GHz spectrum. Over the years, we have followed a prudent capital allocation and spectrum acquisition, and we chose not to acquire the expensive 700 MHz for our 5G network. None of our existing spectrum expires before 2030, and the validity of our spectrum pool ranges from 2030 to 2042. And our 5G plus services are deployed on the recently acquired 3,500 MHz band on a non-standalone mode with dual connectivity. The non-standalone network utilizes dual connectivity of 5G and 4G spectrum to extend the 5G coverage for a given service level without the need for dedicated sub-gigahertz spectrum. Non-standalone network deployment has lower capital expenditure requirements, lower cost of ownership, reduced environmental impact due to lower overall power consumption, and has been the widely chosen network architecture, with approximately 85% of telecom operators worldwide deploying 5G on non-standalone basis. The last but not the least is we have an extensive distribution and service. Are distributed through the stores that I mentioned. We use digital tools like Mitra app to help facilitate mobile recharge transactions. Our exclusive retail footprint of 89,454 retail touchpoints is one of the key differentiators, including for supporting high-value customers and providing them superior experience. We have created 5G zones across all our large format retail stores. In these zones, we demonstrate the power of our 5G Plus to customers through its data speeds and emerging use cases, including immersive virtual reality entertainment and cloud gaming. Our trained store staff demonstrates use cases and explains our 5G Plus and other offerings to the customers. The Airtel Thanks app is widely used by Airtel customers, which has reflected in its monthly active users of approximately 117 million as of March 31st, 2023. Now I'll move to our strategies. The primary element of our business strategy are to grow our revenues by focusing on acquiring and retaining quality customers, expand our network coverage, deliver brilliant customer experience through an omni-channel approach, and use data science and improve our cost efficiencies. First, let me mention to you how do we want to grow our revenue by focusing on acquiring and retaining quality customers. Our strategy is to premiumize our portfolio with continuous upgrades from 2G to 4G or 5G. Upgrading customers within our 4G plans for higher price data packs, prepaid to postpaid upgrade, contextual data monetization, and through converged offerings. Our simple and clear strategy helps us drive our ARPU growth agenda in absence of a tariff hike, which is reflected in our performance in the past. Our postpaid acceleration is driven through our family plans and converged offering through Airtel Black. With rising consumer needs for telecommunication services, high-speed data, and changing content consumption habits, we are witnessing an increased share of wallet for such services. We have a gamut of digital offerings to enhance customer engagement on our network. Data monetization, which is a very important lever for ARPU marketing, is also something which we are doing very well. We revamped our international roaming offering, branding as a one roaming pack, which covers all countries in the world across 184 countries, which makes it very easy for international travelers to manage their communication needs. According to CRISIL report, prepaid customers in Rajasthan has a dominant share and stood at 95.1%, higher than the share of prepaid customer for overall India at 91.9%. So, the share of prepaid customers in Rajasthan circle has been reducing marginally, moving towards postpaid since fiscal 2020 due to better postpaid bundle tariff. Similarly, in Northeast circle, prepaid customers had a dominant share and stood at 97.1%, again versus a national average of 91.9%. The share of prepaid customers in Northeast circle is reducing marginally and moving to postpaid as well. We intend to capitalize on such opportunities to increase our share of postpaid customers. For broadband services, Airtel Xtreme Fiber is a one-stop solution for all high-speed internet and content needs of the customers. It provides high-speed internet with convergence of on-demand entertainment.